Hey guys, it's Jackie here, and this is going to be a super fast video on how we disinfect our Amazon purchases. So what we do is we get our 0.5% hydrogen peroxide spray. I made another video about how to make this. It's super easy and quick to make. So what we do is we put on our gloves, we go outside and we spray down the Amazon boxes. We let it sit outside for about an hour or so, and then we cut them open outside. Okay, so they've been sitting outside for a while now, so I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna bring them back in, okay? Okay, so here are the items that I purchased. Let me put on some gloves just to be extra safe. I'm also gonna put down some paper towel here. Okay, so we got this box and it has some plastic on it, so we know that the coronavirus can last on that for about 2 to 3 days. Spray this down with the hydrogen peroxide spray and we let it sit for 1 minute. Spray it all over, okay? Okay, so we're gonna let this sit for about 1 minute, and in the meantime we have these two other items and they're both in plastic bags, which is great because that means that only the plastic bag is potentially infected. So we have another paper towel right here, and I'm just gonna cut them open, or I can just rip them open here. And I'm gonna just put that there, and then that out. And then throw away these bags. Take off the gloves, and I'm even gonna wash my hands. Wash, 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 wash. Okay, so as you can see, it's super easy to make sure that everything that comes into your house is as germ-free or virus-free as possible. So stay safe and healthy, everyone.